Had a hectic day but don't want to compromise on your healthy dinner? Let's have Harissa grilled salmon, quinoa salad and avocado salsa. Do your homework. Get the salmon marinated. The recipe is in description box. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees and pop them in for 12 to 14 minutes. By the time salmon is grilling, let's make the salad. In a large bowl, start with some diced cucumber, some mixed peppers and grated carrots. Add some chopped onions and some tomatoes. I used plum tomatoes and halved them. I had some black beans to add, which I pre-cooked in olive oil, garlic, chopped parsley, some harissa seasoning and cumin powder, and of course salt and pepper to season. You can soak the dried beans overnight and then boil and cook, or you can use the tinned ones. They're perfectly fine as well. Next goes little bit of avocado. I used only for some moisture. I had some sweet corn boiled earlier and I'm just adding it. For freshness, I added some lime juice and chopped parsley. Obviously, you need to season with salt and pepper. I avoided any additional dressing because salad will have enough moistures in it. For salad, you can add anything you fancy or whatever you have in fridge. Things like lettuce or celery or anything you have or you prefer to eat. For a quick weekday dinner, making the preparation beforehand really makes the difference. Like marinating the fish or make your beans beforehand, or even feel free to cook the quinoa. Or else it just adds 10-15 minutes extra for each of the steps to the whole process. Okay, now as you see, adding the last ingredient to the salad, the quinoa, which will give the body. Just give it a really good mix, check the seasoning, and salad is ready. For some added freshness, I made avocado salsa. Start with some chopped tomatoes, chopped avocado. I had some leftover sweet corn which I used here, some freshly chopped parsley, chopped onions, and then goes lots of fresh lime juice. Season with salt and pepper. For a bit extra heat, I added some harissa seasoning. Replace that with chili flakes or fresh chilies as per your choice. Give it a good mix and your avocado salsa is ready as well. My salmon was done and was just resting outside the oven. It's the plating time. I chose some African dinner plates which we have recently got from Tunisia. So what? We are having just the dinner at home. A nicely served food always adds an extra appeal. I had some yogurt dip to add. The detailed recipe would be in the description box. It was really yummy and healthy, and trust me, it did not take more than half an hour for a weekday dinner. But I made some preparation beforehand. Let me know if you like it and if you would like to try at home. Bye!